Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a Figma side menu, providing a full guide from start to finish. First, begin by creating a new frame in Figma, which will serve as your main content area. Next, design the basic layout of your side menu, considering its width, perhaps 240 pixels, and a suitable background color. Finally, add essential elements such as a logo, a user avatar, and your primary navigation, links to establish the menu's foundation. Now, let's focus on building robust navigation components. Utilize Figma's auto layout feature to organize your navigation links efficiently, ensuring they adapt well to content changes. Create interactive components for each menu item, defining distinct hover and active states to provide clear visual feedback. For example, a hover state might change the background color by 10%. Always ensure consistent spacing, perhaps 16 pixels between items, and typography across all your navigation elements for a polished and professional look. Next, we'll bring your side menu to life with interactivity. Connect your menu items to different screens or sections of your design using Figma's powerful prototyping features. Add smooth transitions and subtle animations, like a slide-in effect lasting 300 milliseconds, for a more polished and engaging user experience. Crucially, define how the side menu opens and closes, whether it's triggered by a click on a hamburger icon or a hover interaction, ensuring intuitive navigation for your users. Finally, let's discuss making your side menu responsive and efficient. Always consider how the menu will adapt to various screen sizes, from large desktops to small mobile devices. For smaller screens, implement a clear toggle button, often a hamburger icon, to reveal or hide the menu, saving valuable screen real estate. Optimize performance by using efficient component structures and minimizing the number of layers, which can significantly improve loading times and overall user experience, especially on devices with less processing power.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.